In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an EIN mismatch e-file reject on TurboTax. If your e-file was rejected for an EIN mismatch, don't worry. This usually means the employer identification number on your W-2 in TurboTax doesn't exactly match what the IRS has on record for your employer. We'll walk through where to make that correction and how to enter it so it sticks. First, open TurboTax online for the 2020 tax year and sign in to your return. Once you're in your return, head to the income area. This is where all your wage information lives. If you're not seeing it right away, look for the section that summarizes your income sources, TurboTax labels. This clearly so you can jump back into your W-2 information. Next, select wages and salaries. That's the W-2 section. If you worked for more than one employer, you'll see multiple W-2 entries. Choose the W-2 that triggered the reject. If you're unsure which one it is, start with the most recent or the one for the employer listed in the reject message. Open that W-2 and choose Review. This opens the editable W-2 form in TurboTax so you can verify each field. Now scroll to box B, which is labeled Employer Identification Number or Federal ID, and click into it. The EIN must be entered exactly as it appears on your actual W-2. An EIN is 9 digits long and may be printed with a hyphen after the first 2 digits. In TurboTax, you can type it with or without the hyphen, but the digits must match perfectly. Carefully compare each digit against your W-2. Common causes of the mismatch include a transposed pair of numbers, an extra space, leaving out a digit, or copying an EIN from a different W-2 for the same payroll provider. Make sure you're not entering letters. EINs are numbers only, so watch for zeros mistaken as the letter O. If you imported your W-2 from a photo or a payroll connection, double check that the import didn't misread a character. If your employer changed legal entities, merged, or rebranded, the EIN on your W-2 may be different from what you expect. Always trust what's printed in box B on the W-2 you received for the year you're filing. Type that in exactly and confirm the field shows 9 digits. That's it. By opening your return, going to income, choosing wages and salaries, reviewing your U-2, and correcting box B, you'll resolve the EIN mismatch at the source. Once the EIN matches your W-2, the reject should no longer appear when you continue forward in TurboTax.